this digital era, laptops have become a necessity besides smartphones. The roles of notebooks and pens seem to have been replaced. Laptops are very important for students or workers. All work or lessons are using laptops nowadays. In fact, maybe all workers and some students already have their own personal laptops for various needs. Therefore, laptops that have such important uses in life must be maintained so that they always function as they should. Don't let you abandon it until it breaks just because of bad habits that you often do. Without you knowing it, there are some bad habits that can make a laptop break down quickly. The following summarizes top laptops from various sources about bad habits that make laptops damaged quickly. One, close the laptop in a living state. This habit is very often found everywhere. Without shutting down first, the laptop is immediately closed while it is still alive. This can be a bad habit that can make the laptop break down quickly. Therefore, avoid immediately closing the laptop when it is finished. Shut down first and wait a few moments until the laptop's heat decreases a bit. This way your laptop can last and stay awake. 2. Not installing the laptop battery. This is also very often done by most laptop users. The laptop is directly connected to electricity with the charger without installing a battery. This can damage the mainboard or motherboard of the laptop and can even cause irregular power surges so that a short circuit can occur. Maybe you mean that the laptop battery lasts a long time, but this is just a mistake. The laptop will get damaged faster because you do this method. 3. Putting the laptop on your lap or on the mattress. One more habit that is often encountered by laptop users is putting the laptop on the lap or on the mattress. Holding the laptop on the thigh not only causes health problems, namely the health of your physical devices will be disturbed, of course. Even laptops can also be damaged more quickly. This is because the airflow under the laptop is obstructed, which makes the heat settle. Circulation is not smooth. Even laptop heat can make your thighs hot. Putting the laptop on a mattress or sofa, which is a soft place, can also cause the laptop to break down quickly. This is because the mattress or sofa are not objects that can absorb heat, so they can also cause the air under the laptop to settle. Laptops heat up quickly when used. It can even cause overheating of laptop components. Damage will happen quickly if you continue to do this bad habit. 4. Connect the charge cable to the laptop before electricity. Indeed, there are still many people who are confused about which one should come first, attaching the charger cable to the laptop or to the electricity first. It turns out you have to plug the charger cable into electricity first before connecting it to the laptop. This is caused by the unstable first power jump on the power plug, and can cause the laptop motherboard to become damaged quickly if done repeatedly. 5. Lifting the laptop by holding the screen. Sometimes you can also see people who are in a hurry to lift their laptop by holding the screen. This habit is very bad and makes the laptop quickly damaged. Even though the laptop is light, Lifting it by holding the screen can damage the hinge and laptop LCD. So don't do this. 6. Charging laptop even if the battery is not running out. Charging a laptop even though the battery has not run out can actually make the laptop break down quickly too. You are encouraged to charge the laptop when the battery reaches 10%, or when the charging notification appears. Don't let the laptop battery empty or immediately die, but don't charge the laptop when the battery is still above 30%. This can make the battery's ability to store power less and less damaged. Charging when the battery has reached 10% is the safest way to prevent the laptop from being damaged quickly. Seven. Rarely clean laptops. Laptop cleanliness is also very important in order to keep it from being damaged quickly. Dust that sticks to laptop components can interfere with laptop performance if not cleaned immediately. So you should regularly clean the outside of the laptop at least once a week and clean the inside once every 3 months. But remember not to disassemble your own laptop if you don't have the expertise. Taking apart a regular computer and taking apart a laptop requires different techniques. If you have a problem with your laptop and you don't know the technique, don't take it apart yourself. We recommend that you take your laptop to an authorized service center or to someone who is an expert in laptop repair. 8. Putting heavy objects on the laptop. Don't ever get in the habit of putting heavy objects such as thick books and other objects on top of the laptop, because this habit is at risk of damage to the laptop screen. Usually the signs of damage to the laptop screen are vertical or horizontal lines appearing, and if you continue to do so, the laptop screen will be permanently damaged. Of course you don't want the laptop screen to be damaged because of this trivial thing. Considering the price of laptop screens is also quite expensive. 9. Putting liquid near the laptop. Maybe you are among the people who often put drinks, be it coffee, tea, or water near the laptop in order to make it easier to reach them if you are thirsty. Actually, it doesn't matter if you put liquid near the laptop as long as it doesn't spill. The question is, can you guarantee that the drink will not spill the laptop? Laptops include electronic objects that are at risk of being damaged if exposed to liquid. Instead, you have to give your laptop other liquid a distance to avoid things that are not desirable. If it has already happened, the first step is to immediately turn off the laptop, remove all laptop components starting from the battery, and then dry all laptop components. You can only use the laptop again when all components are considered dry and safe to use again. 10. Putting magnetic objects near the laptop. Keep in mind, bringing objects that have magnetic properties to electronic objects such as laptops can cause damage. Because in a laptop device there are objects that have magnetic properties, namely the hard disk. If you hold the magnet closer to the laptop, it is possible that all data stored on the laptop device will be permanently lost. Laptop screen brightness level too high. If you use a laptop screen brightness level that is too high, it can damage your eyesight. It can also make your laptop battery wasteful. Therefore, adjust the brightness level of your laptop according to your needs. For laptops that use hard drives, do not store the laptop on a sloping surface. You must have already known that on the laptop hard drive there is a disk that functions to read and write data. This noise will rotate when the laptop is used. The rotation of this disk may get tighter depending on the use of applications or programs running on the laptop. If you place the laptop on its side, it could be dangerous. The hard drive disk can be scratched by other hard drive components and cause hard disk damage. As a result, the laptop hard drive becomes a bad sector or can even be damaged immediately. So, your important data on the laptop cannot be saved. Therefore, keep the laptop on a flat and hard area when it is in use. So are some habits that can make our laptops easily damaged. May be useful. If there are criticisms and suggestions, please write in the comments column. See you later.